has. So we have Fluffy here. Oh, Raccoon's here. Tushy's here. Tushy. Make sure it's Tushy. Yep, it's Tushy. And the one sleeping in the new bed is Fisher. It's Beans. Beans is sleeping. When did Lee Chat come? Oh, Lee Chat's one of the new cats. Lee Chat and Beans are here, guys. So we have actually good kitties. Who needs food? Only fish per cat. I think it's just 20 fish per cat. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Imagine if we had more cats. Definitely somebody would not be. I always end up missing here. I also collect a lot of wood. So I have collected almost 1,000 wood. And you need to upgrade. If you guys watch the previous gameplay, after upgrading, I'm going to come off out. Also have a sick too, so okay, so I should learn to. Okay. It's like my feet. I'm in the water, but went on the and now we need any more fish. Four. I'm gonna show you guys that crazy update. So, I already have that map. I already have a table. I added the bookshelf. Carpet here. Everybody wants the plushies in here. Some hammock and this. I don't know what added else. I think so. I'm on my third bike. I'm on my second hammock. I feel like a sofa would do good in here. So I got one of these. I got 2 more candies to get my burger. I actually don't know what it's for. Wait, no, I know what the book is for. I got kitty art tray. I don't know what they're for. Ooh, a stove. I have the first one. I have volume. I got 2 spoons here. I'm not seeing the third one. The ladders. Carpet spade. See, I already got the pure last table. The wooden one's too. I like the mango table. And table of dreams. $7.90. So what else can I get with that? magical mat. I did upgrade to the second bookshelf, so I probably can get the third. What I'm trying to do is to get one of these furniture elections. Right now I need a bear paw mat. I don't have it. I think I have the furniture on my door. Because I can play it. Can you see? Yep. I have the little decoration on the door. This is the outside of the house. I also haven't seen it. I think I can upgrade this. It's really the next thing I want to get, I have one for the last one, but I think I want the window. Ooh, what is it? I forgot and this is the craft time back for this. I can do one of these two. I actually have this already. I think I'm already having this. I'm gonna do the Cracker Tower. And let's try. One cushion. Spanish cushion. I'm gonna do one of the Cracker Tower. Maybe the table. Or the cushion. I need one more shelf, so that shelf is 745. One scratcher, wax scratcher. I have random scratcher. I think that's for something else too. And then the Cracker Tower. And the wooden table. So this is gonna take 2 hours. This is for an hour basically. Next thing I want to get for you guys to see is the bone cushion. Relax action. I don't have the bone cushion. I can get the Indian. I don't have 2 things. I have the best. I need the Scottish. So that's the 440. So 440 and 710. So I have enough for 2 of these, but so you guys already know what the upgrades are. I work on 60 guys and my sister. I'm working on a main dev that I'm actually gonna show you guys. The process. I'm back. I know I'm back late, but thanks for being assistant, and I'm gonna have 1 minute quiet time.